When you come into TMB to have your antibody test taken, you'll be seen by the nurse. She will take a very simple blood test, which takes a couple of minutes, and that will be sent off. We expect to have the result back in about 48 hours, so it's actually very quick, and that should show whether you have antibodies or you don't have antibodies. When the results are through, we'll upload it into your My TMB site. You at home will be able to go in and look at that yourself and download it. We'll also have other information in there to help explain the results, because there's no point just telling you that the results are positive or they're actually negative. You need to understand what that means. We're also running a travel consultation service, which means that if you don't understand, you can easily get back in touch and one of the actual doctors will ring into you and talk it all through and explain it. The actual reason to have the test done, one is because you've been sick. Over the past couple of months you've had an illness that might have been COVID, and you want to see whether you have antibodies against that disease now at this point in time. The other is a group who haven't been sick, but then we do know there's quite a number of asymptomatic people who didn't have any symptoms whatsoever who still did get the disease, so to see whether they have antibodies. Also within TMB, we're offering a corporate service, which means you'll be able to go into an office and to actually test the folks in that area to see whether they have the antibodies or they don't. So that's something that may be of value to certain groups, because it saves them having to come out to us. We can actually go into them to have it tested.